piece that I let go brought me back to who I know. Right here, I found myself again. Took a walk with nowhere to go, let the silence take control. All the weight I used to hold felt so small out in the open. And for the first time I felt alright.